up, it's Julia here, and in this video we're going to be doing 10 weird hair life hacks that you must try. Now I'm super curious to know, like, what is your biggest hair struggle? Please comment that down below. Since there's 10 of these hacks, I feel like we're probably going to be able to solve at least one of your biggest hair struggles. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy a good hack, because I know I do. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for post notifications so you never ever miss another one of my videos. Let's just go ahead and get into these hacks now. Does your hair ever get unbearably dry? Well, that's because it's thirsty. No, not for water, but for oil. Not only is avocado great on toast, but the oil in it is great for your hair too. So grab a bowl, some olive oil, and an avocado. Now the way you make guacamole is the way we're gonna go about this. So you're just gonna put the avocado in the bowl and completely mash it up. Then we're gonna add some olive oil and mix it all together. Now taking our mixture, we're gonna apply that to the hair, but be aware if you have oily roots, you're only gonna wanna apply it from the ears down, but if your roots are dry too, then do it to the whole entire head. So while we wait for this mask to set in, you can just apply some salt and pepper to the leftover mixture and put it on a piece of toast and eat the rest. So now that we've had our yummy toast, we're just gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and rinse all the avocado mixture out of our hair and just shampoo and condition like normal. And there you go, some nice, shiny, hydrated hair. I don't know about you, but for the past few months, every time I shower, I shed a lot of hair. And I don't know if it's stress, hormones, or just the season, but seeing this much hair leave my scalp is kind of scary. But recently, I found a hack from a beauty guru on Instagram named Farah, link in the description, on how to make a serum to grow your hair fast. So we're gonna take peppermint oil and pumpkin oil and mix them together, then massage them into the scalp with your head facing down for blood flow. And let me know if you wanna see an update on my results. Instead of using a basic boring bobby pin, jazz it up with some color. All you need for this hack are some bobby pins and any nail polish color of your choice. We're gonna start by placing plastic in between the bobby pins we're gonna paint, and then take a nail polish color and just paint over it. Maybe do 2 coats or 3, depending on how opaque your nail polish is, and then just let it dry and you can wear it. Yeah, looks so much better like that. Got some rainbow bobby pins. So you know when you're out and about and then you throw your hair up in a ponytail, but then you have all these little baby hairs and flyaways sticking right out of your ponytail? Yeah, I know, that sucks. It happens to me all the time. Well, guess what we can use? Chapstick to push them back and they will stay in place because of the oils and the waxes within the chapstick. It'll hold them there super tight. All you gotta do is run the chapstick in a backward motion and then smooth it out with your hands. Another option if you're just at home in your bathroom is to take a toothbrush and some hairspray and then spray the toothbrush and brush those baby hairs back with the toothbrush. This also works super, super well. So not all of us are blessed with perfect hairlines. Sometimes there's little bald spots there. Yeah, I have them. A lot of people have them. So if you're kind of insecure about it, you can cover it up with a headband, I guess. Oh, I tried so hard not to get makeup on this headband, but it got on there anyway. Okay, so you can try a scarf type of headband that you tie in the back, or a handkerchief, or a unicorn horn. Maybe that will cover it up. Well, if none of those end up being options you actually want to explore, here's a hack for you. Okay, so take some eyeshadow, preferably one that matches your hair color, and fill in those bald spots with it. And if you match the eyeshadow color to your hair color properly, no one should be able to tell. See? My hair already looks thicker. Bangs getting a little long? Need a trim? Sorry, but the scissors are not gonna cut it. They're not? Guess what? Razors aren't only good for shaving legs, they're also good for cutting bangs. So how am I gonna do this hack, you might ask? Well, you're gonna take the razor and you're gonna place it right where you wanna cut your bangs, and then just pinch your hair in between your finger and the razor and pull down. And just don't move your finger while doing it because you don't wanna cut yourself. Keep going till you get it to the length you want, and that's all. So this one is perfect if you're starting with already dry hair. Unlike our crayon hack that I'm going to be showing you in a few, we're going to be using heat for this one because we're also using a pencil, and pencil wood won't melt, but a crayon would. So how we're going to do this is we're going to start by curling the hair around a pencil and then placing the iron over it and just taking it out. It's basically just like curling your hair with a curling iron, but if you don't have a curling iron and you only have a straightener, this works like miracles, especially when you're on vacation and you can only pack one item, a straightener or a curler, and you'll want both hairstyles. This is exactly the hack for that. So this is what the finished hair looks like. Just shake it all out. I like my curls to be a little looser, and that's it. That's the look. So if you just washed your hair and you're going for more of a wavy look and you want to sleep on your curls, these sponges are the absolute most perfect thing for this. So basically what you're going to do is just curl the hair in the sponge and then tie it with a hair tie. And since the sponges are soft, it's going to be comfortable to sleep on. And because your hair is wet, the sponge is going to soak up all the water. So when you wake up in the morning, your hair will already be dry. So I'm going to pretend to go to sleep and then show you the final result.
Tomorrow for sure.
What a beautiful morning. The sun is shining. My hair looks funny. I took a selfie. Okay, so we're gonna take all these sponges out now. And this is the final result, some loose beachy waves. Now for our last and final hair hack, the crayon curls. So you're not gonna need a curler, but you will need crayons. So I preferably start with damp hair. You don't want it to be sopping wet, especially if you don't pull off the paper of the crayon. If you want to pull off the paper of the crayon, you can go as wet as you want, but I didn't want to, and I didn't want to get the paper all mushy. But you're just gonna curl the hair around the crayon and then clip it to your head, and just do that to your whole entire head. The crayon box is full of many, many crayons, so you should definitely have enough in there to cover your full head. And once you've got your full head covered in crayon curls, you just want to let that ish dry, maybe put on your makeup while you're waiting, watch a show, eat a snack, I don't know. But if you're pressed for time, take a blow dryer and blow dry your hair on cool. You don't want to do too hot because, like I said, you don't want to melt the crayons. And then you can just take them out and there you go, some bouncy curls. I hope you guys liked my little throwback to the crayon days hair hack. If you want to see any more videos that involve hair or crayons or hacks, please let me know down below. Here's the finished curls. I hope you tried them out. Since you literally made it to the end of the video, comment these emojis down below so I know. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you missed my previous video, you can click it at the end or wait till next week for my next one. Bye, love you.